everyone, what's going on? It's Jacob Slanix with Chevy CLE Car Reviews, and today a little different video. We are on our way to Bowling Green, Kentucky to the National Corvette Museum for some Corvette training. So just wanted to bring you guys along for the trip, the museum, and then the training to see kind of what we can learn about the Corvettes and what's going on with like the Z06, E-Ray, and even the Stingray. So be sure to like this video, comment below your thoughts of something different on the channel, and subscribe for more in the future. Alrighty guys, so we are here, probably one of my favorite places in the world. We are at the National Corvette Museum before our training tomorrow. I'm going to get a museum tour, show you guys a couple of things that kind of stand out while I'm on the tour. So yeah, here we are. Absolutely beautiful day. Nice 7-hour car ride from Cleveland. We are at the National Corvette Museum. Let me know what you guys think of any of these cars I'm about to show you. It is Monday, and we are here at the track at the National Corvette Museum. I'm going to show you guys some really cool stuff throughout today's video. It's all going to kind of be broken up into some different things, like a Z06 hot lap, an E-Ray acceleration, so some really good stuff. You can see, man, there's just cars all over behind me. Today is actually the end of the day, but I'm filming the intro later in the day, so it was awesome. I appreciate GM for having us out here, but I hope you guys like the content that you get. That's not at 100% is not always a bad thing. Go for it. There you go. Nicely done. Bend it to the right. It's crazy what these things can do. Seriously. Back to the right again.
And so obviously now you can feel how stiff that suspension is, how tight that steering is, right? This is your track mode. You're out there on a nice smoothly paved surface, you're rocking and rolling. But you can't actually even use this on the road because they say you'll break components running around, like the shock tower caps and everything. So we'll go right through here.
Pretty sweet right here. We have the E-Ray kind of broken down so you can see everything on it. So just looking at the full chassis of the vehicle. Just kind of giving you guys a brief run through of everything. Absolutely massive tire on the back here. This is your normal 6.2 liter V8 powered by that electric motor in the front, which you can actually see it lined through the middle there. So that's pretty sweet. No charging option. It just charges as the vehicle's driven. So really cool. The launch on the E-Ray was absolutely incredible. Now that I've actually been in one and driven one, I can say it is an incredible vehicle that GM came up with here. Also really cool, we have the different engines kind of broken down for you. So 6.2 liter V8, the flat plane crank Z06 motor. You got your dual clutch transmission. And then this is the E-Ray electric drive unit. So just a couple cool little things that GM let us see here, but wanted to show you guys what everything looks like, especially on this E-Ray, just completely broken down to the bone. So one more showing up front. But yeah, guys, this thing is really cool to see and even better to drive. One of my favorite places to stop, of course, from Bowling Green at the National Corvette Museum, is going to the actual plant itself. Absolutely beautiful here. They got a couple cars on display up there, but I always just like to kind of walk and see the cars that are here actually at the plant. You can see you got the big Corvette sign there in the back. So some beautiful cars over here. We got a nice E-Ray right there, Z07 package, Z06, Grand Sport. That's the plant director car right there. So he's got a Z07, Z06 there. I saw another E-Ray over here as well. So if you come to Bowling Green, Kentucky, you can expect to see probably some of the coolest Corvettes you'll ever see out this way. And it's just a really cool experience altogether. Another E-Ray. That is a great looking car. Love it, love it. There's another view of that sign. So before I head on my journey home, I wanted to swing by here and just take a look. Bowling Green assembly plant. I love to look at and check out the cars. So yeah, guys, which one's your favorite? There's a lot of really nice ones here. Alrighty, guys, so I hope you guys enjoy the content. It's been kind of a crazy day. I'm on my way back to Cleveland. It's about a 7-hour drive. It's starting to get dark, so I figured I would put up my video real fast here. Had an amazing day out in Bowling Green. Lots of cool opportunities between the Hot Lap and the Z06, being able to test out a bunch of the different modes, driving the E-Ray. Just a lot of cool opportunities. Met some really cool people. Met Mr. Mike Furman. He's the leading Corvette salesperson in the country. Pretty sweet. He had some really cool advice for me. So like I said, sorry if this video jumps around quite a bit. I just wanted to put something together for you guys for the last couple days, just to show you the museum and like what we were doing for the Corvette training. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys like this kind of content, something a little different than just a normal review. Appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to like this video, comment your thoughts. What was your favorite car at the museum? What did you think of the training that GM had for us? And subscribe to the channel for more videos, guys. I'm going to get more content out for you. So thank you again for watching, and we will see you again for the next one.